स्टार्ट करते हैं। हु वॉज द फर्स्ट ब्रिटिश गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया? आंसर इज लॉर्ड लेविस माउंटबेटन। सेकेंड, हु वॉज द फर्स्ट इंडियन गवर्नर जनरल ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंट इंडिया? द आंसर इज सी राजगोपालचारी। नेक्स्ट, who was the first president of India? And the answer is Dr. Rajendra Prasad. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं। Who was the first vice president of India? Dr. सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन। नेक्स्ट, who was the first prime minister of India? And the answer is पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू। नेक्स्ट, who was the first British Governor General of Bengal? And the answer is Warren Hastings. Next, who was the first Indian space traveler? And the answer is Rakesh Sharma in 1984. Next, who was the first Nobel Prize winner? And the answer is Rabindranath Tagore in 1913. Next, who was the first chairman of Lok Sabha? And the answer is G.V. Mavlankar. Next, who was the first chief election commissioner of India? And the answer is Sukumar Sen. Who was the first Indian chairman in International Court? And the answer is Justice Dr. Nagendra Singh. Next, who was the first Chief Justice of Supreme Court? And the answer is Justice Hira Lal J. Kania. Next, who was the first Indian to deliver the lecture in Hindi in UNO? Answer is Atal Bihari Vajpayee in 1977. Who was the first writer awarded Vyas Samman? Answer is Ram Vilas Sharma. Next, who was the first player awarded Padma Bhushan? And the answer is C.K. Naidu. Next, who was the first chairman of Finance Commission? And the answer is K.C. Naogi. नेक्स्ट चलते हैं। Who was the first Marshal of Indian Air Force? Answer is Arjun Singh. Next, who was the first gold medal in Olympics? Answer is Avinav Bindra. Next, who won the first Lenin Peace Prize? And the answer is Dr. Saifuddin Kichlu in 1952. And the last one, who was the first Indian MD Managing Director of World Bank? And the answer is Gautam Kaji. अगर आपको मेरा ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक करें, शेयर करें एंड सब्सक्राइब करें। आगे भी ऐसे इम्पोर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस की वीडियो डालते रहेंगे हम। थैंक यू।